Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look which is inspired by Sonam Kapoor, is appropriate for college and is inspired from her new movie Bewakoofiyan, which would be releasing today. I'm really excited for that movie as I love Ayushmann Khurrana. I think he's so uber cute. Tell me if you find him cute as well. I have obsessions with like a million guys because they're cute. Oh my god. So yes, probably that's why I'm going to die single. Because I have so many obsessions. My boyfriends are going to be like, what? So why am I discussing my love life on YouTube? Because so yes, anywho, this is the look that I've come up with. It's really easy. You can do it in the morning and it would make your skin look fresh and vibrant and all that kind of great things which you want to look in the morning without involving much steps, because I personally love sleep over getting ready, because sleep, well, sleep, you know. So yes, I'm blabbering on now, so let's move on to the makeup. I'm going to start off by taking a tinted moisturizer, which is going to be L18's Glow Foundation. They say it's a foundation, but I don't really believe it. Now you can apply it with your fingers or with a beauty blender, which would be quick as well. So I'm going to be using the beauty blender and I'm just going to apply it all over my face to get, you know, a nice, naturally looking face. Not made up or anything. I'm not going to be using a concealer or anything, just this foundation. So I'm just going to take it on a beauty blender and I'm going to blend it all over my face. If you need more coverage, you can use a proper foundation. I don't, so I just use this tinted kind, like this. They say it's a foundation, as I already said, but you can, you know, skip that for whatever you like. Next, I'm going to be using Revlon Skin Lights. This is also another drugstore product which I really love. I'm going to take just a tiny amount of it to get a nice glow onto my skin, because, you know, in the morning your face can be looking really, what am I saying? In the morning, your face can look really drab. So you want to have a nice glow to your face. So I'm using the Skin Lights, as I said, just on my cheek, like the apple of cheeks. So to get a nice glow and, you know, to make my face look really fresh. Woof, what am I saying today? I personally do this skin light step on to my face, like on days when my face is looking really drab. Not on everyday basis, but on days when I feel like my face is really drenched and it looks really colorless and it has no glow. I use the skin lights and it makes my skin look dewy and fresh instantly, which I love. Next, I'm using Maybelline Dream Mousse blush. You can use this when on days you feel your face is looking colorless, just to get a nice color onto your face and not look pale, almost like a vampire, and my voice is gone suddenly crack. Yeah, vampire name and my voice goes like that. Creepy. So I'm just going to apply this Dream Matte Mousse. Just a little touch of it, nothing too elaborate or, you know, dramatic or any of that sorts. I know it's really hard to wake up in the morning to get ready, you know, just for college, but these are some simple steps which I think everyone can do. Next, I'm taking MUA's Undress Me 2 and taking a shade which is 2 to 3 tones darker to my skin tone and making sure it's matte. I'm using the shade, this is the shade Lavish. This one right here. I'm taking it on my ring finger and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid just to get a wash of color. She doesn't have much on her lid going on anyway. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon Kajal and I'm going to line my waterline, tight line, and just a little bit on my upper lash line, not much. You want a very thin liner to be there, if you can see that, just a very very thin liner. I have gotten a little smudged liner on my lower lash line. I'm going to clean it up later, but just a little thin line. You don't want much of it going on. You know, your eye should probably look like this, that I messed that to eye up. I'll clean it up later. It's really difficult to do makeup with just one hand and hold a mirror in the other, so you know, forgive me for that. Next, I'm going to be using a Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline. This would help in reducing your time, which we would waste probably on curling your lashes, because this is an automatic curling thingy. So I'm just going to apply this on my lashes. Last step is going to be her lips look really fresh and pink, so I'm going to be using Baby Lips color in the shade Neon Rose, so that I have color and moisturizer both on my lips in one go, because killing steps again. Finish this makeup look inspired by Sonam Kapoor, appropriate for college as it's very easy, involves few steps. You can skip some steps according to your preference as well. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I would see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.